If you're seeing Steam error 92, especially the message that says fatal error, file unknown, line 92, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This error usually points to a corrupted game file, a cloud sync conflict like OneDrive, or a permissions issue that's stopping the game from accessing the files it needs. So whether the game won't launch, crashes right away, or keeps throwing the same error after startup, these steps can help you get back into your game faster. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing we want to do is run the game as an administrator. This is important because some games need extra permission to create or update files, especially in folders like Documents or App Data. To do this, open your Steam library, then right-click the game that's giving you the error. Hover over Manage, then click Browse Local Files. This will open the folder where the game is installed. Now find the game's .exe file. Once you locate it, right-click it, choose Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. After that, relaunch the game and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to verify the integrity of the game files. This is one of the most effective fixes for Steam errors because it checks whether any game files are missing, damaged, or corrupted. To do this, go back to your Steam library and right-click the game again. Select Properties, then click Installed Files. On this screen, you'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click it and let Steam scan everything. Depending on the size of the game, this can take a few minutes. Steam will automatically replace broken or missing files with fresh copies, which often clears up error 92 completely. Once the process is finished, try launching the game again. Now, if you still haven't fixed it, the next thing to check is cloud synchronization, especially if your Documents folder is being backed up by OneDrive or another sync service. This is a very common cause of file unknown line 92 errors because some games need to write config files or save files into Documents, and cloud tools can block or delay that process. If OneDrive is syncing your Documents folder, pause synchronization temporarily and test the game again. You can also check for other backup tools like WD-MySync or similar services that may be controlling that folder. The goal here is to make sure the game can freely create and update its files without interference. After pausing sync, open the game and see if the error stops. Another important step is checking your antivirus or security software. Sometimes antivirus programs are too aggressive and block the game from creating files in the Documents folder or other required locations. Even if the game itself is safe, your security software might mistakenly treat it as a threat. Open your antivirus settings and look for any blocked apps, protected folders, or real-time protection logs. If the game is being restricted, add it to the allowed list or exception list. If needed, temporarily disable the antivirus just long enough to test the game. If the error disappears, then you found the cause. Just remember to turn your protection back on afterward. At this point, if the game is still failing, it's a good idea to combine these fixes. Run the game as admin, verify the game files, pause cloud sync, and make sure antivirus is not interfering. In many cases, Steam error 92 is caused by one of these exact issues, and once the blockage is removed, the game starts working normally again. If you recently moved your Documents folder, changed your drives, or installed a new backup tool, that can also trigger this problem, so keep that in mind while troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Steam and PC gaming fixes. I post simple step-by-step solutions that save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.